how to cancel Discord Nitro subscription on your mobile. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy on how you can cancel your Discord Nitro subscription on your mobile. Well, open up your mobile application first. Head into U option at the bottom right corner, and then here you can see the Nitro option. Now I don't have Nitro, so it is showing me get Nitro, but if you do have one, what you can do here is you can head into settings. Once under settings, under billing settings here, once on settings, you'll find the billing settings option. Here you'll find the manage Nitro option. Now I don't have Nitro, so it's not showing up, but you'll find it right here. You want to tap on it and then proceed to find the cancel option, where you'll find at the bottom. So you want to tap on cancel and proceed through the prompts to cancel your Nitro. You can do also so if you do not get the option on the app itself, you can head into webdiscord.web on your mobile. You can head into web browser and head into discord.web, and there log into your account and cancel the subscription with similar process as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.